Hello students, welcome back to another interesting problem. You can see on the screen where A and B are involved in this equation, and actually we have to find the value of A and B. One condition is given there that whatever values will be there for A and B, they are not equal. They will be having different values. That one condition is given here. Okay, so two equations are given to us. So we are starting with the given equation. Given equation is a square equals to b plus 1, 1, 1. And second equation is b square equals to a plus 1, 1, 1. We are taking it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. As we do for simultaneous equations, we try to solve in that manner only. What we will do here, one time we are going to subtract equation 1 and 2, and then one time add both the equations. Okay, so first I am writing equation 1 minus equation 2. So this will be equation 1 value and this is equation 2 value. We are subtracting, and same on the right side, b plus 1, 1, 1 minus a plus 1, 1, 1. When we open the bracket, so what will happen here? So this minus sign will affect these two terms and their sign will be opposite. So b plus 1, 1, 1 minus a, and when this minus sign will act with plus, it will become minus 1, 1, 1. We can see here that this is positive and this is negative, so both will get cancelled. What is remaining here? B minus a, and on left side it is a square minus b square. One formula we are clicking in our mind that yes, we are having one expansion formula which is a square minus b square. I can write it as a minus b into a plus b. So let's use this formula in this step. So this will be a minus b into a plus b equals to b minus a. Now here two things we can do, that we can cancel out b minus a by taking common, or we can see one effect here. For that I am solving in another option, like we can shift these terms to the left side. So what will happen here? So a minus b into a plus b, b is positive, so this side it will be negative and a will become positive. So how can I write these terms while arranging? For these two we can write a first and b secondly, so we can write it as a minus b, correct, and plus sign is there. So I can see that two brackets are common here, so we can take out common. So inside a plus b, and here a minus b got outside, so this will be plus 1 equals to 0. So from this step we can see that two bracket products equals to 0, so we can equate them separately equals to 0. So this is the first value we can write, and second is a plus b we'll shift one, but right now I'm writing like that only. When we shift this b to the other side, we are getting here a equals to b, but in the given problem it is given that a is not equals to b. So that's why we are going to reject this value. We are not going to consider it. Okay, so what is the next equation we can have? So it will be a plus b equals to minus 1. So I am getting this equation after the first two equations. I am taking it as equation number 3. Whenever I need this value or I need this equation, I will use equation 3. Till this step everything is fine. How we get this equation? When we subtract it. Now next step what we will do? We will add equation 1 and 2. So next line we are writing equation 1 plus equation 2. So when we are adding two equations, again we will do the procedure that adding left hand side and adding right hand side together. So a and b we are writing together. So a plus b plus, when you add 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1, so it will become 2, 2, 2, and here it is a square plus b square. One thing I can see that a plus b is here, and in equation 3, what is the value of a plus b? Minus 1. So in place of a plus b, we are putting minus 1 plus 2, 2, 2. And from where we have substituted? Since equation 3. From there we have substituted this value. So a square plus b square. Now when you subtract 1 from 2 to 2, you will get 2 to 1, and this is a square plus b square. This is again one more kind of equation we are having, so we are taking it as equation number 4. So till now we are having 4 equations. 1, 2 given equation, equation 3 is of a plus b, and equation 4 is of a square plus b square. Now what we are doing, using equation 3, we are starting from equation 3 for further simplification. What is equation 3? A plus b equals to minus 1. So what we are doing here, we are squaring both sides. Ultimately what we have to do, we have to find value of a and b, which should not be equal. Okay, so for that we are doing all kind of simplification. So this is square on both sides. Minus 1 square will be 1, and we know the expansion formula for a plus b whole square. It is having standard formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, correct? Now for this a square plus b square, what value we are having? 221 from equation 4. So in place of this a square plus b square, what we can put? 221 plus 2ab equals to 1. I am writing the reasoning here since using equation 4. Next simplification, again I can see constants at 2 places, so I will take them at one side and try to simplify them. 1 minus 221, so it will be minus 220, and we'll shift, or we will divide 2 to the other side, so this will be 220 over 2. When you cancel it out, you will get minus 110. This is AB. So what I can say, that if I want something in terms of some value of b in terms of a, so I can write it as like this, or you can shift b also and a on left side, that is perfectly fine. So this is our equation number 5. So we are very near to find the value of a or b, whatever it may be, we are going to get. Now what we will do here, that we are having equation a plus b equals to minus 1, correct? So what we are doing here now, we are putting this b value in this equation to get value of a. So this is a plus value of b is minus 110 over a equals to minus 1. Simplification part, so this is positive, this is negative. When they are in multiplication, this will become negative. 110 over a equals to minus 1. Cross multiply, so this will become a square minus 110 over a equals to minus 1. Shift this a or division term to the other side in multiplication. This will be minus a square minus 110. Take to left side, a square, there it is negative, here it will become positive. Now what we can see, that just check the product of the number should be the sum or difference of the middle number. What is middle number here? You can see nothing means 1. So minus 110 is the product, and 1 should be sum or difference. So it is very easy. 11 and 10, 11 and 10, but we want plus 1, so I will take 11 minus 10, and this will be 11 into minus 10. Alright, so these are the factors for this quadratic equation. So a square, we are writing this middle term as 11a minus 10a, and minus 110 like that. Take out common from the two, first two and then last two. So a is common, so a plus 11. From the green one, what I can take out common? Minus 10, so it will be a plus 11, because 11 times 10 is 110. Now you can see that bracket is common, so we are writing bracket one time, and remaining terms are a minus 10 equals to 0. So what values we get ultimately for, if I say that there are two brackets and their product is 0, so we are equating individually equals to 0. So one value we are getting as minus 11 and one value we are getting as 10. Alright, so we are having two values for A. Next, we want to find the values, corresponding values for B. So what is the expression for B? So just now we have obtained that B value in terms of A we are having as minus 110 over A. So same formula I will write here for B, and then what we'll do here, we'll calculate for those corresponding values and we'll get the answer. Here we are putting in place of A as minus 11 and here we are putting A as 10. So when we solve it, so this minus will get cancelled, and when you cancel out with 11 you will get 10. So value of B is 10 when A is minus 11. Okay, and here when you solve it you are getting value of B as minus 11. So actually you are getting alternate values, right? So what answers I am getting for A and B? So I am getting one when I am putting A as minus 11, it is giving B as 10, and when we are putting A as 10 we are getting B as minus 11. So actually this is the answer, but let's verify whether these set of values are giving us the verified values or not. So our equation is A square equals to B plus 111. If I take first set of value, which is minus 11 and 10, in place of A square we can put minus 11 square, and B is 10 plus 111. What is 11 square? 121. What is minus square? Positive. 10 plus 111 is 121. Verified. Same if we do for 10 and minus 11. So what will happen? In place of A now we will put 10. In place of B, minus 11 plus 111. Then when you subtract it you will get 100, and here 10 square is also 100. So both values are verified, and in this way we have solved this beautiful problem, and I'm sure it is not that tough and you all can do it very easily. So thank you so much for your time. See you in next example. Till then, take care. Bye bye.